Hello guys, this is Prachi Singh and you all are most welcome to my channel, which is Prachi Astro Solutions. Friends, today we are going to do the second lesson in our learning, and the topic will be Constellation or Nakshatra. So let's begin. So friends, you can see that today the topic will be constellation and nakshatras. We have 27 nakshatras in Vedic astrology. So I have already given all the numbers over here. You can see 1 to 27 numbers are given. Now I will start with the first one. The first nakshatra is Ashwini. This is Ashwini, the first one. The second one is Bharni. The third one is Kritika. The fourth one is Rohini. The fifth one is Mrigashira. And the sixth one is Adra. The seventh one is Purnavasu. The eighth one is Pushya. Okay, the ninth one is Aslesha. Okay, we have done the 9. Now we'll start with number 10. Number 10 will be Megha. Number 11 is Purva Falguni. Number 12 is Uttara. Again Falguni, Uttara Falguni. The 13th is Hast. The number 14 will be Chitra. Number 15 is Swati. Number 16 is Vishakha. Number 17 is Anuradha. Okay, number 18 is Jyeshtha. Okay, we'll move to number 19. Number 19 will be Mula. Number 20 will be Purva Shadha. And number 21 will be Uttara Shraddha. Number 23 will be number 22 will be Shravana. Okay, number 23 is Dhanishtha. Okay, this is Dhanishtha. Number 24 is Shadbhimasa. Number 25 will be Purva Bhat Prada. This is Purva Bhat Prada. And number 26 is Uttara Bhadra Prada. And number 27, which is last, that is Revati. So friends, we have done all the constellation here. 27 of them are already written from 1st to 27. You can see them. Now I will going to write the lots of the nakshatras. So here first I'll write Ketu. Second is Shukra, that is Venus. Surya, that is Sun. Chandra, that is Moon. Now comes to Mangal, that is Mars. Rahu and Guru, which is Jupiter. We'll move to Shani, which is Saturn, and Buddha, which is Mercury. Now let me explain you this. So this you can see here. So Ashwini, Megha and Mula comes under Ketu. Fine. Bharni, Purva Falguni, Purva Shada will come under Shukra, which is Venus. Kritika, Uttara Falguni and Uttara Shada will come under Surya, which is Sun. Rohini, Hast and Shravana will be come under Chandra, which is Moon. Mrigshira, Chitra and Dhanishtha will come under Mangal, which is Mars. Adra, Swati and Shadbhimasha will come under Rahu. Purnavasu, Vishakha and Purva Bhadrapada will come under Guru, which is Jupiter. Pushya, Anuradha and Uttara Bhadrapada will come under Shani, that is Saturn. Aslesha, Jyeshtha and Revati comes under Budh, which is Mercury. So we have done the constellation, friends. This is the constellation in Nakshatra. Thank you, friends. This is all for today, and thanks a lot for watching. God bless you all.